What's going on YouTube? Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to basically go over two peace dollars that I purchased on eBay. They just came in today. I listed them for sale on eBay. You can see the listing here on your screen. And these are the actual legit coins right here. And in this video I wanted to also show you like how to spot and prevent yourself from buying fake coins on eBay as well. And I'm also going to do a quick little review on this very cool Ryobi magnifying glass. So watch the whole video. Let me know what you guys think. Let's get started. So these are the two peace dollars that I picked up on eBay. This first one here I purchased from this seller, and photo's a little blurry, but it looked real. And the important thing is when you're buying coins on eBay, you want to look at other items that the seller is actually selling to make sure that they are, first of all, an authentic seller. They care about the stuff that they sell. They take good photos. They don't all take good photos, but there's some pretty easy things to spot when if a seller is just being just a total scam artist. So this particular seller, what I liked about them is that they had other silver items listed for sale. Yeah, they've got some clothes. They got some other items. They had a graded coin. So it was a little weird though. It's like why are you only selling this to me for $32.78? And again, maybe this guy got it for under 20 bucks back in the day. It's a beautiful BU coin. This is it right here. It's actually the nicer of the two that I have listed. So this is the coin that I received. This is how I take photos, but just beautiful. And again, that it's kind of blurry, the photo he did of it, but I get it. It's like he's listing for 32 bucks. But to me, it's just kind of weird because literally could walk into a coin shop and a local coin shop would give you at least 35 bucks, 36 bucks for it today. Today's November 14th, and silver is close to 51. It's been teetering between $50 to $52 per ounce. So a cull silver dollar at your local coin shop, they're probably going to sell it to you for 38, 39, maybe 40 bucks. So I think it's just kind of cool. You can buy a coin like this, nice, on eBay and sell it for a profit on eBay. Now, I mainly put this listing up to kind of show you guys what I got because it's a little difficult to show you in my camera here. But I will upgrade this camera to a 4K so I can be showing off coins and doing videos like this in the future. So anyways, it's very important that the seller has other items listed for sale, and not always will they have silver for sale. They might have other things, but there are some actual things that you don't want the seller to have in their store because that they are 100% a scam artist. All right, so this is the second coin that I received. And this lady was nice. She's an older lady. She took two photos of the coin. And that is this coin here that I got from her. So this is what the coin really looks like. But again, with her photo, it's kind of hard to tell, right? Because it's a little blurry. And then this is other angles of it. This is the reverse of her coin. So very beautiful coin. And what I liked about her is that she was selling other peace dollars. Again, they're blurry. She's an older person, so it's no big deal. I did send her offers on the other peace dollars. I was like, hey, I'd like to buy all of them if you give me a discount and then just combine shipping. And she's like, yeah, I researched the prices. She's like the prices I have on the coins are fair, but I'm telling you, like her photos are blurry. I can't tell if this coin was cleaned or not, and if I was gonna spend more. But she mainly sells like wooden trains, which is cool. So she's a good seller. She's also got some silver or bright other jewelry, typical older lady seller, which is fine. So she probably inherited these coins, or they're her father's or grandfather's, or maybe she got it from her ex-husband, who knows. But she's actually listing some coins, and the one I got was very nice. That was this one right here. But amazing to me that I picked that up. And what did she charge me? $30 for the coin and $5 for shipping. So $35.74. I got myself a really nice peace dollar. Okay, so that's how you buy from legit sellers, people that actually care. And what you can do is you can type in peace dollar, whether you're on your phone or on your computer at home, and you want to sort price low to high. You want to make sure you click on piece dollar there. And it's going to show you a bunch of junk. Yeah, pennies will show up, quarters will show up, all this, the coin supplies will show up. And what you don't want to be clicking on is the stuff that's $13.95 with free delivery and zero feedback. That's an obvious scam artist that's going to get shipped directly from China. Who knows if you even get anything, but you're going to get a piece of magnetic junk fake coin with no silver in it whatsoever. And it continues. Look, they're so lazy they use the same photos over and over again. This guy's sold 170 of these. Think about that. There's 170 people that got scammed in the United States that bought this coin. They think it's real. They thought they got an awesome deal, and they think the coin shop's ripping them off because the coin shop's selling a legit cold piece dollar for 40 bucks when they got it for under $17 or free shipping. Well, they got absolute metal piece of junk garbage. Might as well dig in your garbage can because that's what they got. Nothing, it is zero worth whatsoever. Okay, other scammers too, they'll actually use photos of coins from other sellers. So this looks like a legit piece dollar, and they don't try and sell you on it's perfectly brand new. They put very good, fine 1924 silver dollar. But then when you click on the other stuff they have listed, they have 6 items listed. So here we go. Fake coin, fake coin, fake coin. Definitely fake Morgans. You're not going to get 5 Morgan silver dollars for $90. Fake barber. And then all of a sudden they can never resist. They have to list some random item from Temu, and this is located in the Philippines. So that's a big red flag. Why does this seller who has supposedly all these legit coins have a random set of black candlestick holders and it's located in the Philippines? So yeah, if you were to buy this coin from them, you're not going to get anything that looks anywhere near as good as this. Plus their feedback sucks. And they've sold 77 items. It's very scary. But eBay doesn't really monitor this. They just let it happen. And then if you the buyer, are not satisfied, you have to ask for your money back. Or you don't know anything about coins and you think you got a legit coin when in fact you got a complete fake knockoff. Here's another seller. Now this particular seller actually has good feedback, and they have other items in their store. I'm kind of annoyed that he still has this listing up because I told him, I said, dude, you have a fake coin. He's like, no, it's real. I'm like, no, it's fake. That's a China knockoff. And this is actually a pretty good one. So the obverse looks decent, but you can tell like this was cast from a very nice piece dollar. Okay, but it's all worn out in the wrong spots. The patina doesn't look right. It's literally patina from the dirt on the factory floor in China. And his reverse is really out of whack. So the Denver mint mark on these coins is never that large. It's very tiny. It's actually very hard to see even in photos. And just the lettering and everything in the back of this looks all jacked up. It does not look like legit back. So it looks like they took a real piece dollar and made a casting out of it to do the front of the coin or the obverse. But then they weren't getting good results on the reverse, so they used some kind of weird planchet that somebody made, in China. And again, all this dirt on the coin is from the dirt on the factory floor. So here, this is what a real reverse looks like on a legit piece dollar. See, just how it pops. See how the feathers on the bird or on the eagle, and then look at this. It's all jacked up. Like his eagle actually has eyes. I don't know, it's just very odd. So I'm a little upset at this seller because I tell him, like, dude, it's not real. Like, you have a really good account. Someone is going to get really pissed when they get this coin and they find out it's real or it's fake. And he's like, well, it's not magnetic. I'm like, okay, well, weigh it, Well, what does weighing do? Well, you should show, if you're going to sell coins, you should show that they weigh 26.8 or 0.7. They can be up a little bit more, but I bet you his coin doesn't even weigh that much. But his is definitely fake. So you do have to watch out for legitimate sellers that don't know anything about selling silver dollars because they just found one or were given one, or maybe they found it at the flea market and now they think they're selling you something authentic. And they're actual YouTube resellers. I'm not going to name any names, but I've called some out in my videos before where it's like, hey, he's all excited and happy. He sold a fake silver coin to one of his followers. Like, dude, how are you doing anybody any favors with that kind of stuff? So be on the lookout for those type of scams. And then these are the classic ones as well, where again, they'll take a real piece dollar. So that's a real call piece dollar. But then it's just weird. It says more than 10 available, 23 sold. And you can just tell that you're not going to get anything good. Because again, why would a seller sell one for $30 plus pay $5 for shipping when if legitimately this guy had real peace dollars, he could walk into his local coin shop and get $35 cash minimum. Why would he sell it for 30 with free shipping? He's literally making like 22 bucks after eBay fees on this fake coin. So again, you have to think about things like that too. Like seriously, and he sold 23. He's scammed 23 people by sending them some fake junk. So just beware out there, guys. I want you to be safe. I do highly recommend this Ryobi magnifying glass, especially for you older gentlemen. I mean, I'm an older gentleman now. I'm going to be 50, but this thing's really cool. So it has a lithium-ion battery inside that you charge with a USB port. It's got this really easy button here, so you can magnify. I can magnify my eye for you guys. See? So you can do it with light or without light, with really bright light or a little light. But it's very big, super convenient. So I do have the little loops, but I noticed when I was using a little loop over time, like my vision was kind of jacked up. Where something like this, you can literally, you know, have it in your car if you're going to a estate sale, garage sale, and you want to be able to look at something. Yeah, we could use our cell phones, so we're not looking like total nerds out there. But this is an awesome piece to have at home. Now, I do have people bringing over their coin collections and their jewelry to verify if it's gold or silver before I send them on their way to the local coin shop to cash out. But I like this tool because it's a lot easier and it's very durable. You can drop it. So then they've got a special of $29.97 Black Friday. If you're at Home Depot, if you got one near your house, go ahead and grab this item. You're going to love this item. I love it. I love it just as much as my other Ryobi items, like my tire inflator type thing. So anyways, guys, appreciate you guys stopping by. Highly recommend this item. I provide a link for it in my video description, and there's also a link to my eBay store. So if you want to purchase these two beautiful peace dollars, I will ship them to you. They are authentic, and they are really, really nice. And if they don't sell, I'll just keep them. Don't care. So appreciate you guys stopping by. Let me know in the comments if this helped you out, and don't get scammed.